Stop scrolling. If your YouTube channel is getting 10 views, 20 views, and 0 income, this might be the reason you're stuck. It's not your effort. It's your system. Right now, most people are doing YouTube completely wrong. They pick random niches, copy viral videos without any strategy, and keep uploading consistently, but still see no growth. And after weeks or even months, they quit. Not because YouTube doesn't work, but because they started without a clear monetization plan. Let me ask you something. How many videos have you already posted with no real results? Here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. You don't need more content, you need a better system. Because without the right foundation, even 100 videos won't make you money. That's exactly why I started looking into something called DFY Faceless YouTube Monetization Setup. Instead of trying to figure everything out yourself, this system gives you a ready-made foundation. A channel built in a proven niche, 30 ready-to-go videos, and a monetization-ready structure from day one. So you're not guessing anymore. Think about it. You skip months of trial and error, avoid picking the wrong niche, and don't waste time creating videos that don't perform. Instead, you start with a structured channel, content designed for growth, and a system focused on long-term results. This doesn't mean no work, but it does mean no wrong direction. Let's be real for a second. This is not a magic button. You still need consistency, and you still need to follow the system. But compared to starting from zero, this is a completely different game. If you're serious about YouTube and tired of wasting time on things that don't work, at least see how this system is structured. Don't jump blindly, just understand it first. Check the link in the description and decide for yourself if it makes sense. Because 1 year from now, you'll either still be stuck posting videos that go nowhere, or you'll finally have a system that's actually moving you forward. The choice is yours.